Alright guys, I'm going to be doing an install on a 2017 GMC Yukon of some LED headlights and fog lights. Driver's side is pretty simple, as I'll show you right now. There's the access point. You turn it to the left, pops off, push down on the tab, it releases. Turn the bulb counterclockwise, and there it is. We got the new DDM tuning 50 watt LED bulb that we're going to put in. Super easy plug and play. And that's it. Turn it to the left and it connects and you're done with that side. Let me just connect that plug and we'll go on to the next side. Alright guys, so I tucked everything in, clean setup, reconnect the housing, and we'll move on to the next side. Alright guys, as you can see on the passenger side of this Yukon, you have the air box that's blocking the way of the light bulb, which is back there. So we do have to remove this housing, which is very simple. I will show you how to do it right now. There's 4 of these bolts that hold the top of the box, which you need to undo. Alright, you take out this bolt, take out the bolt right there. This one right here is a little harder to get to because of the metal air line coming from the AC unit. And then that one, and then we'll pop off the mass airflow sensor connector. Move that to the side. And then we need to loosen out the connection for the intake box right here, this one bolt, so we could slide this piece off. At this point, we can remove this piece, the upper part of the housing. One more thing, there's a small connection right here that's holding it. Just loosen that right there. And this will come out. Set that aside. Then you have your intake filter. Take that out. Make sure it's clean. If it's not, replace it. This one looks pretty good. And then you have the bottom housing, which is just held in by grommets. There's one right there. There's one on the back side. So you just gotta wiggle this loose and it'll come out.
So you can part my whole car, huh?
Brand new car, take it apart. Once that's out, as you can see, there's a little plastic piece here that's almost acting like a heat shield. You just gotta take these 2 pins out, and then you got access to the other side. So let's take that out right now. It's a good idea to use one of these pry tools because this could be in there pretty hard. Alright, so I'm just going to remove one of these, which is enough access to get to this one since it's so hard to get out. Don't want to touch the other one. Alright, pop off the cover, same process as on the other side. Push down on the tab, release the light bulb, turn counterclockwise, and take the bulb out. Gonna grab our LED and put it in place. Turn it a little bit counterclockwise so it could get into the pins, and just like that, it's locked into place. Alright guys, once you neatly tuck everything in, you could reassemble the cover. I'm gonna try it out, see if it works. Yeah. Once you've confirmed that they power on and they're plugged in correctly, you can start reassembling. Start by plugging that one in. Then you'll take your lower intake box, record for me from this side. I need 2 minutes for this shit. Alright, once you snug it up in place, reinstall your air filter. It only goes in one way. Then we will install the top intake box. Be best to snug this up in here first. Or not. Start by reinstalling the one screw. If you tap on it, it should show up so you can see.
Are you gonna see anything?
Alright guys, now as you can see, the LED headlight bulbs match the LED daytime running lights. It makes a huge difference compared to stock. We ran into a little glitch with the fog lights because the connectors were not the same, so we're going to reorder the correct bulbs, and I'll show you a before and after of those also. Stay tuned for that video, guys.